It's gonna be succulent, beautiful, lovely, and everything that you can think of. Just trust me, ladies and gentlemen, it's gonna be lovely. So I already got some of this sea bass already, together. Got it all, seasoned up and everything. So I'm gonna check my grease and see, you know what I'm looking for. See what I'm looking for. That sound. I'm looking for that sound, ladies and gentlemen. And here we go. Can you hear it? Oh, that's the sound of magic love. Okay, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna drop that fish off in here. Check it out, boys and girls. Oh man, it's gonna be beautiful on this Fish Friday. Okay, put that in there. Put that in there, and trust me. And you know what? And just like